Lifestyle of aging gracefully. Aging gracefully means living a life with full vigor and positivity as that of your younger age. How smart and how much physically fit you are in old age is not matter of luck or genes. It is up to you to keep yourself physically, mentally, sexually fit and active. Or you can end up sick, demented and passive. It depends on you. Most of the elderly people think that they are a spent force at certain age and that they are finished. But no, in today's world, it is not so. Today's lifestyle, to live a healthy and progressive life, you have to keep yourself fit, physically and mentally. As we grow older, our bodies change, our faces, our hairs change, our ability and our capability also changes. And you are not able to stop these changes as you don't have control over them. You have to accept the changes going through you. There is no denial to this cruel truth. Aging gracefully means what? It means to give beauty to your life, elegance to your life. It means attraction. It means an absorbing personality within you, with complete physical and mental fitness in older days. And this you can get through regular physical activity, a regular mental activity, healthy food habits, avoidance of tobacco, alcohol and drugs, control of disorders such as hypertension and diabetes. These factors should be incorporated into one's lifestyle and should be implemented effectively to get positive results. Tips for aging gracefully. First, reduction in calories is recommended. The quantity of food taken at a time should be decreased because the capacity to digest and tolerate large meals decreases, but the requirement of most nutrient remains unaltered. Hence, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and vitamins are accordingly increased or decreased to provide required energy and food for graceful life. Extra calcium is very necessary, especially for postmenopausal women. Due to hormonal changes, there is continuous loss of bone calcium. Hence, bones are more prone to fractures. Hip bone fracture is very common in elderly females who may slip while bathing. Third, rich fried foods, cereals, sweets, chocolates, creams, and butter should be avoided. Instead, fresh fruits, vegetables, milk, and milk products should be preferred. Fourth, constipation is a common problem among the elderly due to reduced muscle tone of the gastrointestinal tract. Soft low-fiber diet and insufficient fluid intake also influence this. Dietary fiber is beneficial in various conditions associated with aging, such as constipation. Fifth, the diet should be soft and spongy so that it does not hurt the gums. Fluid diet like milk, custard, kheer, boiled eggs, vegetables, etc. Fruits like bananas, oranges, chiku should be preferred. Sixth, should keep yourself mentally and physically active. Never think that you are retired. Keep yourself involved in some kind of work. Go for morning and evening walk. Seventh, new studies show that if a person 70 years of age follow a daily exercise program for 1 year, he can get back the strength and flexibility of a person 40 years of age. Eighth, use Triphala regularly. Triphala makes the body active, disease-free, improves your eyesight, it makes your skin glow, makes your brain witty, builds your body's strength, and stops premature graying of your hairs. Ninth, sleep. Inadequate sleep leads to fatigue and premature aging of body cells. 8 hours of sound sleep is recommended for an adult for better mental and physical health. It reduces stress and anxiety. 10th, healthy food habits. Almonds help in building up both physical and mental health and prolongs life. A popular fruit, apple, is a disease-fighting food and helps in prolonging life. It reduces cholesterol and helps in preventing cancer. Curd. Curd is a highly versatile and health-promoting food. Garlic lowers blood pressure, blood cholesterol, discourages blood clotting, fights cold and numerous other diseases. Honey is an excellent source of heat and energy. Amla contributes greatly towards good health and longevity. Onion is a powerful antioxidant food and contains numerous anti-cancer compounds. 11th, drink plenty of water. It keeps you hydrated. It helps in releasing out toxins and aids in digestion and helps in losing weight. Inadequate water intake leads to dry and flaky skin. Drinking sufficient amount of water improves your energy level and brain function. It helps in keeping your skin healthier and reduces signs of aging. 12th, feeling positive. Aging is unavoidable. You should feel positive about aging. This is life, and everybody has to go through it. Please subscribe to my channel. Your subscribing, liking and sharing motivates us to do better. If you have any kind of physical problems, please give the details in the comment box and we will see that videos are made on those topics and you are benefited.